everyone, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. Many of you might be surprised because I used to make my videos in Nagamese only, but from today onwards, I'll be speaking in English and Hindi. Because in my previous videos, some commented that even though they don't understand our language Nagamese, they want to support me and then they want to watch my videos, especially the village lifestyle videos. So I've decided to speak in English and Hindi. Not only that, but many of you requested me to add English subtitles, but it's very time consuming, so it's better to speak in Hindi or English. Yadi poila ra moila video sai thaya kan ge moi request na ko le mon jase bishi manura moi poila video go thai lam de rabi ko thage English subtitle thali dibi ina ko na aro dusra manu khamra bi saule mon hole bi Nagamese na jane dan English subtitle na thagile na thalile aro Hindi na hole English na hole idu audience kan dusra bahar manu khan saule duk pai jai to manura bishi ko thage mo ye subtitle egla bi thali bi na hole English na hole Hindi de ra ko bi na Idro moi ajura luna Hindi English ina mix una kobo apne montu na gurbi moi Hindi English ko lebi ini video ki gura se kude jase ki gura se tu ini jane jawla se idwani ida do Nagamese pra na ko na sawina na kobi baba makan holebi. So today I'm going to my farm. My all viewers and subscribers will know I've started poultry farm last year in my native village Shibungur village under Shamur district, but it was not successful due to weather conditions. So I pivoted to Code and local chicken farm. They are my young companions, my party, my gang. Two of them are missing today. So today we are going together, three of us, and my dad is also coming. I mean, he already moved out. So stay tuned. Haju kholi sha arlanga chukse da sida si minus ke daga bu tugu acha 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 and there 2 7 8 huh 5 oh 5 6 7 8 9 yes 9 Je good ga oh 7 female and 2 male. Before we used to give inside this fencing only, but there's no more grass inside here. See, they have already eaten up, so we are letting them graze here. See. 바닥 그대가 다. Oh, we have ducks also, 9 ducks, and other tuna 그대가 들어와 안 와라 들어와. 로야 길라데, and 60 plus local chickens. So I'm planning to multiply by this only. Now I'm not going to buy again. This is enough for me to multiply to 300-400 chickens in another 1 year or maybe from this year only. देखो ये था पहला मेरा पोल्ट्री फार्म, लेकिन अभी तो लोकल चिकन के लिए कन्वर्ट कर दिया. देखो लोकल चिकन के लिए ये सब. अभी भी ऐसे 2 लाइन डालना है, अभी एक ही लाइन डाला हुआ है ना, तो दिन या 2 लाइन डाल सकता है अभी भी ऐसे. राउंड करके ना। तो इसमें 400-500 मुर्गियां तो आ जाएगा। वाह, हेलो। अरे मालिक है यार क्या। This is goat shed. This is duck shed, I think. How do you put that? What do you? Wow.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life.
And this is our farm's kitchen. See. And here we have treehouse type. Not exactly treehouse, but I will go up and show you guys. Oh, oh, look at the view. What a beautiful scene. Now I will show you my farmland from here. See, this is the fencing, but our land is beyond this fencing. See, they have put up red flag. I don't know for what they put up. See, wow. Wow. So most of you have been requesting me to make a vlog on my farm. This is it. I've already shown you ducks, chickens and goats. That's it. Nothing much to say, but from this December I'm planning to give one caretaker. They will be staying here, or either they can stay at my village also, because it's 5 to 10 minutes walk only from my home to farm. And from next year, hopefully goats will be more than 20 and chickens will be more than 100. He's making a fire. He is my cousin brother. 아주 요 모서 듬서. 다. 듬서 모서. 다. Huh? I asked him what is he going to cook or boil after making fire, but he's laughing. We are going to have black tea. I don't like milk powder, so, and I don't drink tea also, but sometimes when I drink, I used to drink black tea only. Black tea with little bit of sugar. See, they are grazing here. Some of them are grazing there, some of them are grazing there, and 2 of them are grazing here. My old viewers will know I had only 2 goats, 1 female and male, and 1 gate, okay? Recently only I bought 6 from one person. I will not mention his name, but he cheated me. Because see, he said all of them are big male and females only. But see, these 2 are kids. And he took 14,000 each. Can you imagine? This is also 14,000. And this is also 14,000. See, These are kids only. These were kids, and this is mother, female. This is female, measured big female, and these two, see, they are kids. But he took 14,000 each. Not only these two, 6 goats, including these two, and others are also very small only. He said that these all are measured female and male, big ones only. But he cheated me. 14,000, can you imagine? See. Some of them are grazing here. It seems these two are pregnant. See. This is also pregnant. And this is also pregnant. Now I'm going back. So see you next video. Bye bye. Take care.
About to leave, already packed